If you are looking for your first gun with which to start shooting action pistol competitions, whether you're looking at USPSA, IDPA, or both, all you really need, seriously, is a reliable pistol. That said, what makes a good competition gun is something with good sights and a better-than-average trigger pull. After that, it's whatever features you want the most. Aggressive texturing, an oversized magazine well, etc. However, these out-of-the-box, competition-ready handguns will serve you well, and there is an option for every budget out there. The Shadow Systems DR920P. The Shadow Systems DR920P is changing the game when it comes to Glock clone-style handguns. Shadow Systems is adding all the modern features expected in handguns to a Glock-style layout and reliability. The DR920P is a great out-of-the-box competition-ready offering from Shadow Systems. It features an integral compensator, suppressor height sights, optics-ready slide, and a flat-face trigger. Compatible with Glock-style holsters, the Shadow Systems DR920P also features an aggressively textured slide and frame, and its match-grade, spiral-fluted 4.48-inch barrel is ideal for competition use. The DR920P uses 17+1 capacity Glock-style magazines and weighs in at 21.5 ounces. With a price tag right around $1,100, the DR920P is an affordable pistol that won't need any upgrades for competitions. Dan Wesson's full-size DWX. Dan Wesson's full-size DWX is not advertised specifically as a competition handgun, but it seems well suited to the task. This pistol pairs the trigger system of the 1911 with the barrel lockup and grip capacity reliability of a CZ75. It also looks great, with red anodized grip panels and matching trigger. This all-steel pistol is fed by flush, affordable CZP 0919 round magazines. The frame is ergonomic with aggressive checkering. The sights are good, a fiber optic front paired with an adjustable rear. The trigger pull is as good as you'd expect out of a 1911. It took Dan Wesson a few years to perfect this design, but it seems worth the wait. MSRP is $1,999. Smith & Wesson M&P9 Competitor, new from Smith & Wesson this past year, is a dedicated competition version of their proven M&P pistol, the M&P9 Competitor. A lot of shooters, amateurs, and pro have used the S&W M&P pistols at matches to great effect. These polymer-framed pistols have historically been reliable and durable, and the new M2.0 models have improved features, making them more suitable for competition, improved sights and trigger pulls, etc. The M&P9 Competitor from Smith & Wesson's Performance Center uses their new metal frame to increase the weight and reduce recoil, and sports a distinctive gray Cerakote finish. It has a long 5-inch barrel and a slide with lightning cuts. The front sight has a green fiber optic insert, and the slide is optics ready. The pistol sports the same replaceable back straps as the polymer-framed gun, a textured polymer front strap insert, and a removable oversized magazine well. The Performance Center is S&W's in-house Skunk Works, designing improved parts, and the trigger system on the Competitor is better compared to a standard M&P. The trigger itself sports a flatter face to go along with the lower, crisper trigger pull, and each pistol is supplied with 4 17-round magazines. Not bad for an MSRP of $999, CZ USA Shadow 2. If plastic guns aren't your thing, the CZ Shadow 2 just might be. The CZ75 is a double-action SARC single-action DASA 9mm semi-auto, and think of the Shadow 2 as the CZ75 tweaked into a competition pistol. 4.89-inch barrel, full-length frame rail, beaver tail, undercut trigger guard, improved sights, frame checkering, etc. Flush magazines hold 17 rounds. There are a few different Shadow 2 models, but here I'm specifically talking about the black and blue model, which comes with blue anodized grip panels and looks sharp. It's available either with standard sights or optics ready, and I'm pretty sure CZ has dropped the price on the standard model, as currently the CZ Shadow 2 Black and Blue is just $1,099. The Optics Ready model is $1,299. CZ pattern pistols dominate in many divisions because they are accurate, reliable, have a low bore, and have minimal recoil due to their all-steel construction. Even with the standard factory trigger, their single-action trigger pulls are always excellent. Staccato XL. I've been around long enough to know that Staccato is the new and improved, rebranded STI, one of the first factory custom houses to offer wide-body 1911S, 2011S as standard models. As reinventions go, the birth of Staccato from the ashes of STI has been incredible. Staccato has seen huge success in offering factory pistols that tread the line in price and quality between high-end factory and true custom guns. Most of Staccato's models seem aimed at the CCW crowd, but their 9mm Staccato XL is a model specifically meant for competition. It uses the same wide body frame and is fed by flush 17-round magazines, 2 of which are included with the pistol. This gun has a long 5.4-inch barrel, which gives you a nicely extended sight radius if you're running the good iron sights. The pistol is optics ready, and the rear sight sits on a removable plate. The pistol has a bull barrel, front and rear slide serrations, a removable oversized magazine well, and an advertised 2.5-pound trigger pull. The base model of the Staccato XL is $3,599. But as Staccato is a borderline custom shop, you can order custom options for additional dollars, DLC coating on the barrel, engraving, an optic or weapon light, etc. If you think that's expensive, well, yes, it is. But if you go to one of the shops building custom competition 1911s, Infinity Firearms, Akai Custom Guns, Atlas Gunworks, etc., you're going to pay a lot more. Sig Sauer P320. If the Glock G34 is the granddaddy of competition pistols, the Sig Sauer P320 is the new generation, sporting improvements in just about every area. There are a gazillion different P320 models, but if you're looking for a competition gun, I don't know that there's a better 320 than the P320 Max, a dedicated competition pistol designed by world champion Sig Sauer shooter Max Michel. The P320 Max sports a tungsten-infused grip module to bring the weight up, thus reducing recoil. It comes with a 6 MOA Romeo 3 Max optic, which has a larger window. The pistol has improved slide serrations, a removable magazine well, a 5-inch bull barrel, and a flat skeletonized trigger. It comes with 4 21-round magazines. Factory trigger pulls on the P320 are consistently better than what you'll find in Glocks. So even if you're picky, you may not need to tweak the trigger on your P320. MSRP is $1,599, which is a darn good price considering it comes with an optic and likely all the mags you'll need. Springfield Armory DS Prodigy. While admittedly, it had a bit of a rocky rollout, there still is no better way to affordably jump into the double-stack 1911 world than with the Springfield Armory DS Prodigy. While the smaller 4.25-inch gun is aimed at the CCW crowd, the full-size 5-inch model seems a perfect choice for competition. This 9mm single-action only semi-auto is fed by flush 17 or extended 20-round magazines. Like most 2011-style pistols, the Prodigy features a replaceable polymer grip attached to a steel frame on which the slide rides. The pistol has an optics-ready slide, or it can be bought from the factory with Springfield's Hex Dragonfly optic. The sights are great as is, and the trigger pulls on these guns are definitely shootable. If at some point you decide to upgrade your Prodigy, they take most standard parts, and Briley Manufacturing offers several packages that include trigger jobs, etc., you'd still be into the gun for far less money than buying a Staccato or a truly custom competition gun. The iron-sighted Prodigy is just $1,499, and the optic-included model is just $200 more. The pistols come with one flush 17 and one extended 20-round magazine. Walther PDP Match. Walther's PDP Match full size is a purpose-built competition gun and gives you everything you need and nothing you don't at a price that won't cause your spouse to file for divorce. Walther's basic PDP, Performance Duty Pistol, is a polymer-framed striker-fired 9mm that is an improvement and modernization of the PPQ, which it replaced. It is eminently reliable and has one of the best factory trigger pulls of any striker-fired pistol out there. Every PDP is optics ready. Any model of the PDP would serve you well in USPSA or IDPA, but the full-size Match model is built for competition. It has a longer 5-inch barrel and the sight radius to match, with lightning cuts in the slide. It has an enhanced trigger pull, aggressive frame checkering, removable mag well, and comes with extended 20-round magazines. There are two versions of this exact pistol, one with the standard polymer frame and one with a steel frame. Except for the frame material, these two 5-inch guns are otherwise identical, and you have to decide if the recoil-absorbing properties of a metal frame is worth the jump up in price from the $1,099 of the polymer gun to the $1,899 of the SF Match. Browning .380 ACP Black Label Medallion Pro. 1911 Browning combines the popular .380 ACP cartridge with a handy scaled-down 1911, making a compact and easy-to-carry pistol for self-protection or fun. At a recent media event, a small group of writers and editors were banging steel out to 25 yards with various pistols, everything from full-size 9mm to the Browning .380. All of us found that we could shoot the Browning more accurately than any of the bigger guns. The Black Label Medallion Pro full-size mimics the proportions of the 5-inch barreled ACP 1911, but has a 4.25-inch barrel. It is 7.5 inches long by 4.75 inches tall, with a magazine inserted. Far from a pocket-sized gun, but noticeably smaller than the original 1911. Where you'll notice the biggest difference is in the weight. Original all-steel .45 ACP 1911 start at about 36 ounces and can go all the way up to 43 ounces or so once you add mag wells and tactical rails. The Black Label Medallion Pro has what Browning calls a composite frame, which everyone else will call polymer. If you're diving into action pistol competitions and want a solid handgun to get started, choosing the right pistol can make all the difference. From USPSA to IDPA, a reliable pistol with excellent sights, a good trigger, and some custom features will set you up for success. Thankfully, there are plenty of competition-ready handguns at different price points, offering a mix of top-notch performance and value. Whether you're looking for the rugged durability of a Glock clone or the custom feel of a Staccato, there's something out there for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gear reviews, tips, and competition advice. Stay tuned for more.